Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up parental control on HONOR X7b. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google, then click on parental controls and then click get started, then child routine and then click next. Now click on add or create account for your child and then select Google. Now you have to type in your child email address and click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. Now click more and accept. And select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And now enter your parent password. Now you can click on more, scroll down, and then here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next, and here scroll down and click next. Click next. Here you can install family link, or you can click skip and then just install this app manually, and then click on review controls, and now your parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.